In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack webhook URL. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly generate a webhook you can use in automations, integrations, or scripts that need to send messages into a Slack channel. First, open your browser and go to the Slack API site where your apps are managed. Make sure you're signed in with the same Slack workspace where you want to create the webhook. Once you're on the Slack API applications page, select the app you want to use. This can be an existing app you've already created for your workspace. If you don't see any apps listed, you'll need to create one from this page before continuing, but the rest of the steps will be exactly the same once the app exists. After you've opened your app's settings page, look at the navigation menu on the left. Find and click on the option labeled Incoming Webhooks. This section is specifically designed for creating URLs that outside tools can use to post messages into Slack channels. On the Incoming Webhooks page, you might see that webhooks are currently turned off for this app. There will be a toggle switch or button that says Off. Click on that to turn incoming webhooks on. Once webhooks are enabled, Slack will unlock the options to create new webhook URLs. This is required because without turning this on, you won't be able to generate or use any incoming webhooks. With incoming webhooks now enabled, look for the button that says Add New Webhook. Click on that. Slack will prompt you to choose a channel where this webhook will post messages. This can be a public channel, a private channel you have access to, or even a direct message group, depending on your workspace settings. Pick the channel that makes the most sense for your integration, then confirm your choice. After you confirm, Slack will generate a unique webhook URL for that channel and display it on the same page. This is the URL you'll copy and use in your external tool or script. Treat this URL like a secret key, because anyone who has it can send messages into that channel. And that's it. You've now enabled incoming webhooks in your Slack app and created a new webhook URL you can start using right away.